MEA.
Incidents of violence against minorities, including cases of killings, arsons, land grab, have been documented by independent sources during the tenure of the interim government. These incidents cannot be brushed aside as mere media exaggerations or dismissed as political violence. बांग्लादेश में अल्पसंख्यकों, जिसपे हिंदू भी हैं, ईसाई भी हैं, बौद्ध धर्म के लोग भी हैं, उनके खिलाफ लगातार हिंसा हो रही है। ये गंभीर चिंता का विषय है। हाल ही में मेमनसिंह में एक हिंदू युवा की हत्या हुई, उसकी हम घोर निंदा करते हैं। हम ये भी उम्मीद करते हैं कि अपराधियों को जल्द से जल्द कटघरे में लाया जाएगा। और आपको जैसे बताया मैंने कि स्वतंत्र सूत्रों के अनुसार पिछले इस अंतरिम सरकार के कार्यकाल में 2900 ऐसे वारदात सामने आई हैं जो हत्या से संबंधित है, या आगजनी से हो, या जमीन हड़पने के मामले से हो। और इन घटनाओं को मीडिया की यतिशक्ति या एग्जैजरेशन कहकर या राजनीतिक हिंसा बताकर इसको नजरअंदाज या दरकिनार नहीं किया जा सकता। We can go for more questions. इधर कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद फिर इधर आ जाते हैं। इसी
This is Yeshi Seli from India. How does India view the return of Tariq Rahman to Bangladesh? He wants to come back to power. He's come after 17 years. And secondly, Myanmar is going to have its first phase of elections on the 28th. Has India sent any observers?
Yeshi? Oh, sorry, Ayushi.
This is Ayush Agarwal from ANI. Sir, an Indian origin student studying at Canada's University of Toronto, he was killed after he was fatally shot near the campus by unknown attackers. Do we know more about the incident?
Siddhant, Kalol.
Kalol from the Hindu, sir. Sir, in a hard-hitting editorial, Pratham Alo has, in Dhaka has said that India is allowing Sheikh Hasina and other prominent leaders of the Army League to carry out anti-Bangladesh activities while being in India. Do you have a remark on that, sir? And also, I mean, what is India's, I haven't heard from the Indian authorities about the burning down of the two major newspaper offices in Dhaka, that is Pratham Alo and Daily Star. A comment on that as well, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Megha from NewsX.
There has been a second Hindu death that has also been reported yesterday from Bangladesh. The Yunus government has in fact come out and made a statement that this man in question was a terrorist. Now there has been no trial that has been held. He has not been convicted of any crime. Has the Indian government spoken to the Yunus government of what is happening and what really happened on the ground? Because he was also lynched. There was a group of locals who beat him to death.
Okay.
जयप्रकाश दैनिक जागरण से हूँ। बांग्लादेश से रिलेटेड मेरा सवाल है सर कि वहाँ की सरकार ने अवामी लीग को भी प्रतिबंधित कर दिया है और भारतीय विदेश मंत्रालय कहता रहा है कि वो निष्पक्ष चुनाव की उम्मीद करता है। तो ऐसे में इस कदम को आप कैसे देख रहे हैं?
Okay, Yeshi, first on the return of Mr. Tariq Rahman. As we are aware, India supports free, fair and inclusive elections in Bangladesh. This development must be seen in or should be seen in that context.